Good morning, everybody. My name is Lady Asila Chaining Room. My nickname is Lady. I want to explain about Japanese culture history and cultural traditions. Do you know the history of Japanese culture and cultural traditions? If not, I will explain now. First, I will explain the history of Japanese culture. According to ancient letter in Keraton Malang, the inhabitants of Java originally came from the kingdom of Turkey, who came in the year 450 BC. At that time, the king of Turkey sent his envoys to wander and expand their power. They migrated to some uninhabited area. The migration's way was carried out in waves over a long period of time, until one day the messenger arrived at a fertile area and had a lot of food. The envoy didn't take long to adapt and build settlements. The news of his fertile land spread widely, and day by day, more and more people are migrating to this land. Later, the foreign land was given a name, namely Tanah Jawi, by the residents of the Kingdom of Turkey. The name was taken because there is a plant that grows a lot in the area, and the plant is Jawi plant. The Javanese culture is embraced by the community, especially in Central Java, Yogyakarta, and East Java. Javanese culture prioritizes balance, harmony in daily life because Javanese culture upholds modesty and simplicity. The culture that is deeply embedded in Javanese society and Kejawen culture. This teaching is a combination of custom, culture, social, and philosophical views of the Javanese. And this teaching is almost like a religion that teaches the spirituality of the Javanese people to its creator. Javanese culture is one the unique cultures because it divides the level of the Javanese language into several degrees of fine language, namely Ngoko, Madya, and Krama. The difference in the use the language level is the Ngoko form is used to speak to people who are familiar with the speaker. Intermediate form is the form of language that is used to speak to new people, and the form of manners is form of language used to speak to a respectable person or an older person. In addition, the ancestors of the Javanese have also succeeded in producing extraordinary works, such as historical buildings and Javanese cultural products, which are still preserved today. The historic buildings that are still solid today are Prambanan Temple and Borobudur Temple. Meanwhile, the products of Javanese culture that are still preserved are shadow puppets, music arts, traditional clothing, etc. And secondly, I will explain about Javanese cultural traditions. Cultural tradition is a ceremony or ritual passed down by previous ancestors to the Javanese community. There are Javanese traditions and Javanese Islamic traditions. Cultural tradition Javanese traditions are traditions that were given to the community by their ancestors. Examples such as the first is Ruatan. Ruatan is a form of business that aims to get blessings in the form of safety, health, peace of mind, welfare, and happiness for oneself and one's family. The second is Tingkeban. Tingkeban is a ritual performed by a woman who is 7 months pregnant, and the ritual is to spray flower, water, and pray so that the womb is safe until the day of delivery. The third is Tedaksitan. Tedaksitan is traditional ceremony for babies who begin to learn how to walk and are put in a chicken shake. This is done with the aim of being a parent's gratitude for the health of their child who has been able to walk around the natural environment. The fourth is the Javanese traditional wedding. This is a unique tradition because there are many stakes that must be passed, such as siraman, handover, sungkeman, etch, and lastly is larung sesaji. Usually, this is done by people who live on the coast. This was done as a form of gratitude for the fiscal and safety in business. Javanese Islamic tradition is a tradition that is broadcast by the Wali Songo on the island of Java. Example such as tahlilan. Tahlilan is a celebration ceremony or salvation to pray to Allah by reading Yasin's letter and several other select letters and verses, followed by the sentence of tahlil, tasbih, and tasmid. The next tradition is takbiran. Takbiran is done on the night of 1 Shawwal, or eat by saying takbir together in the mosque or around the village. The next tradition is sekaten. Sekaten is ceremony to commemorate the birthday of the Prophet Muhammad in the Yogyakarta Palace or Maulud. The next tradition is the Hijri calendar. Islam used the rotation of the moon, while the previous calendar used the rotation of the sun. And the last tradition is Lebaran Ketupat. Lebaran Ketupat is it which is held a week after the implementation of Eid al-Fitr. That's all I have to say about Javanese cultural history and cultural traditions. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.